YouTube channel. For those of you who have already been to my channel, and for those of you who haven't, well, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Moyoko Straightener by Mycro Keratin. And some of you may know I've already done the treatment earlier this year, and a lot of you have been asking how I achieve these curls, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But I'm going to be showing you a straight sleek look to a curly volume look. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Put your comments down below. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, so before I actually show you how I use the Moyoko iron, before we do a tutorial of the straightening and the curling of my hair, I'm going to quickly show you what is my hair care routine. Some of you may know that earlier this year I did the Mycro Keratin treatment on my hair, and so I have to use the home care that goes with that's the shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment, as well as the serum. So what I do when I'm in the shower and I'm shampooing my hair, I give myself about 2 shampoos of the smoothing shampoo, which helps with the moisture and repairing of the hair. Also, what's good about this shampoo is that there's a certain percentage of the Mycro Keratin treatment gel in here. So this basically prolongs the Mycro Keratin treatment in your hair, so obviously it lasts longer. I'll actually leave my shampoo on for about 2 to 3 minutes just so that it soaks into my hair, just to give that extra treat. I also condition thereafter, mainly concentrating on my mid-lengths to ends. This one also repairs and it's also smoothing, right? It's back moisture. Then when I feel like my hair needs a little bit of a boost and extra treatment, once a week or sometimes once in 2 weeks, I use the Mycro Keratin Repair Mask. Alright, this is it here. And what I like to do with this is I use about 2 teaspoons, so about a tablespoon of this treatment. And I towel dry my hair and I apply it from mid-lengths to ends. I put it in a high bun like this one, and then I put a shower cap over my hair. And just with that body heat, it sort of softens the hair a little bit more. So I keep that on for about 10 minutes, rinse it out thoroughly, because if you don't rinse out thoroughly, you will have a little bit of that greasy look. So rinse it out thoroughly with cold water, towel dry my hair. The next step is the Keratin serum spray. Alright, this one's very different from your normal serum because it's not a gel sort of serum. It's more of a spray liquid. Okay. So spray this one as well from mid-lengths to ends, and not a lot. Be very liberal with this, and because if you do spray a lot, it's going to leave your hair quite oily, and you don't want that greasy look because it's going to look like you've never washed it in the first place. So then once all of that's done and my hair is prepped, I go in by blow drying my hair. So I give my hair a blow drying set with a brush, and I just sort of pull out the curls or any of the frizz, just to give that extra smooth look, and then I go in with my iron. Okay, so this is the beautiful Moyoko iron. As you can see, it's black with rose gold details. Alright, and it has a display screen that shows you the temperature, which is really good to monitor. And in here is the power button, so the switch on button, and then to increase the temperature and then decrease the temperature. And then it has the light in here. If you look closely into this plate, alright, when I switch it on, alright, it has an infrared light in there, which is amazing technology for the hair. One of the very first brands to actually bring that out in a hair straightener. Okay, and if you look into the display screen, it will show you how the temperature is rising. Okay, so it goes up to 230. You can see that right here on the display screen, and in there you can see the infrared light. So what's really nice about this iron, it has a swivel cord, right? So when you are maneuvering your iron to create curls, the cord does not get twisted, which is really good because you obviously don't want to damage the cords. You want your iron to last long. So this is a really good feature of this hair iron. Right, so I'm going to go in and begin, and what we're going to be doing first is basically just a tutorial on how I straighten my hair. Just to show you how quick and easy it is actually to use this. You don't have to go over your hair too many times. And just by 2 sort of strokes over section of your hair, it's just perfectly fine without damaging the ends of your hair. Of how I actually curl my hair. I do 3 different styles. So the first one, I pull at the root and I turn the iron backwards, pulling my hair around the plate, and just basically turn as I slide the iron down, like so. So that's one way of how I do it. Another way, I pull at the root and I pull away from the scalp, turning the iron, then twisting around and pulling right down to the ends of the hair. Okay, sort of gives you a bit of volume at the root area when you pull away from the root. And another way, pull backwards, slide down, get it right to the tips, and then roll the iron backwards. So basically rolling your hair around the iron, the plates of the iron. Hold it there for a few seconds, not too close to the scalp because you can get burnt. And then unwind. I like to mix it around just so that I have more volume and more movement with my curls, because if you have them in one direction or one style of curling the hair, you just feel it gets flat faster. Okay guys, so that's the end of my tutorial. This is how I achieve my straight and sleek look to these curls. Very sort of vintage curls. A lot of you have been asking me how I achieved this, so there you go. This is exactly how I achieve my curls, and I hope that my tutorial really showed you exactly how you can use your iron at home. And if you want to purchase your Moyoko iron, just go to the Mycro Keratin website. I am going to be posting all of those details below, so look out for that. Thank you again, guys.